Here's what to do if you have cramps and muscle spasms due to lack of vitamin B6 and B12. Eat more leafy greens. If you're experiencing cramps and muscle spasms due to a lack of vitamin B6 and B12, here are some key steps to address the deficiency and relieve symptoms. 1. Increase vitamin B6 and B12 intake. Through diet, eating nutrient-rich foods can help restore your vitamin levels. Here's what to include. For vitamin B6-rich foods, leafy greens, which include spinach, kale, Swiss chard, broccoli, bananas, avocados, sunflower seeds, pistachios, walnuts, salmon, tuna, sweet potatoes. For vitamin B12-rich foods, eggs, goat's milk, yogurt, cheese, sardines, tuna, salmon clams, mussels, beef and liver, fortified cereals and plant-based milk for vegetarians, vegans, too. Consider supplements. If dietary intake is insufficient, you may need vitamin B6 or B12 supplements. Consult your doctor for the right dosage. B-complex vitamins can be helpful to ensure balanced intake. 3. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can worsen muscle cramps. Drink plenty of water, herbal teas, or electrolyte-rich drinks, coconut water, bone broth, vegetable broth. 4. Stretch and massage. Affected muscles, gentle stretching can relax tense muscles. Massage the area using essential oils, like magnesium oil or lavender oil, to promote relaxation. 5. Get enough magnesium and potassium. These minerals work alongside B vitamins to support muscle function. Good sources for magnesium include nuts, seeds, whole grains, dark chocolate. Good sources for potassium include bananas, oranges, tomatoes, potatoes. 6. Improve sleep and reduce stressful activities. Poor sleep and high stress can deplete B vitamins. Try meditation, deep breathing, and sleep at least 7 hours daily to support nerve and muscle recovery. 7. Address any underlying conditions. Certain medical conditions, e.g. anemia, nerve damage, digestive disorders, can cause poor B12 absorption. If cramps persist despite dietary changes, consult a doctor for a blood test. Comment if you would like meal plans or recipes rich in B6 and B12.